Hello, everyone, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best air fryer toaster ovens of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best air fryer toaster ovens of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill is a powerful 1800W 8-in-1 appliance designed to simplify your kitchen while expanding your cooking options. Combining an air fryer, toaster oven, and grill in one sleek unit, it offers versatile functions including bake, convection bake, grill, broil, warm, toast, and air fry. Its advanced convection technology circulates hot air for fast, even cooking, helping you enjoy crispy favorites with less oil. Featuring a large capacity interior, this oven can handle family-sized meals, from grilling juicy chicken and veggies to baking pizzas or toasting multiple slices of bread at once. The included 60-minute timer, adjustable temperature controls, and automatic shutoff make cooking safer and more convenient. Built with durable materials and an easy-to-clean design, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven fits perfectly into busy kitchens that need performance and flexibility. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or experimenting with new recipes, this 8-in-1 oven delivers dependable results every time. If you want a shorter, more sales-focused, or more SEO-optimized version, I can rewrite it. Number 2. The Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo delivers powerful versatility and modern convenience in one premium stainless steel appliance. Designed for families and serious home cooks, it features an impressive 24 cooking functions including air fry, toast, bake, roast, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, making it easy to prepare everything from crispy snacks to full meals. The elegant French door design allows smooth, one-handed opening, while the bright digital control panel ensures precise cooking temperatures and times. With its extra-large interior, this appliance can fit a 14-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or multiple trays at once, perfect for gatherings or weekly meal prep. It also includes 7 useful accessories, such as an air fry basket, baking pan, drip tray, and rotisserie kit, giving you maximum flexibility right out of the box. Combining power, capacity, and style, the Emerald Lagasse French Door Oven elevates everyday cooking with fast, delicious results. Number 3. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven is designed for anyone who wants faster cooking, crispier textures, and truly reliable results every time. With its improved 100% super convection system, the Bravo XL Pro circulates hot air more efficiently, delivering quicker, even heating that locks in flavor while creating a perfectly crisp finish. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, or toasting, this upgraded system ensures consistent performance on every rack. Packed with 100 convenient presets, the Bravo XL Pro takes the guesswork out of cooking. From fries and chicken wings to pizzas, cookies, and vegetables, simply choose a preset and let the oven handle the rest. Its multi-layer cooking capability allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once without uneven heating, making it perfect for busy kitchens and family meals. With a wide temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees F, you can slow-dry herbs, air-crisp snacks, or sear foods at high heat, all in one device. Durable construction, intuitive controls, and excellent versatility make the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro a dependable countertop powerhouse for everyday cooking. If you'd like a shorter, more sales-focused, or more SEO-optimized version, I can create that too. Number 4. The Typhur Sink Oven is a powerful 12-in-1 countertop cooking solution designed to make everyday meals faster, smarter, and more delicious. Combining an air fryer, toaster oven, dehydrator, broiler, and more into one sleek appliance, it delivers outstanding versatility without taking up extra space. Its advanced 360-degree turbo convection technology circulates heat evenly, ensuring crisp, golden textures and perfectly cooked results every time, whether you're roasting chicken, baking pastries, or reheating leftovers. What truly sets the Typhur Sink Oven apart is its smart wireless meat thermometer probe. This built-in probe monitors internal food temperatures in real time, helping you achieve restaurant-level precision with ease. No guesswork, no overcooking, just consistently tender and flavorful dishes. With multiple preset cooking modes, intuitive touchscreen controls, and fast preheating, the Sink Oven simplifies the entire cooking process. It also includes access to guided chef-crafted recipes, making it easier to explore new meals or perfect your favorites. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for family, or experimenting with new flavors, the Typhur Sink Oven brings convenience, speed, and intelligence to your kitchen, all in one smart, efficient appliance. Number 5. The Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo brings fast, efficient cooking to your countertop with its powerful 12-in-1 convection technology. Designed to save time without sacrificing taste, this versatile appliance lets you air fry, toast, bake, broil, reheat, and more, all in one compact, easy-to-use unit. Featuring a spacious interior, it easily fits a full-size pizza, a variety of baked dishes, or 6 slices of toast, making it perfect for families, students, or anyone who loves convenient home-cooked meals. Its air fry function uses high-speed hot air circulation to create crispy, golden textures with little to no oil, delivering healthier versions of your favorite foods. The intuitive control panel offers precise temperature and time settings, ensuring consistent results whether you're preparing breakfast or dinner. A durable glass door and interior light make monitoring your food simple, while the included accessories, such as a baking tray and air fry rack, add even more flexibility. With its sleek design and impressive performance, this Black Plus Decker appliance upgrades any kitchen, delivering fast, delicious meals with ease.